how to fix voice in Zoom app on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix voice in Zoom app on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here you will find Zoom. Click on it and now just click force stop and then click storage and click clear cache. And after that just scroll down until you find storage and click clear cache, and then go to permissions, and here we'll find microphone. Now all you need to do, just click microphone and click deny. You will find it on deny, and then just click allow, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.